What is up, guys? Today we're gonna replace the protection film on my phone because my previous got damaged, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. A few organization things before we start doing this. First thing is clean your environment. You don't wanna have any dust flying around. Turn off the Dyson. I have like a standing Dyson on the side. I turn this off. Heater is off, so we don't have any like a flying dust. And trust me, it is very, very good if you take care of it, because a dust can you can clean the like a screen, and dust can be back after a few seconds. You're gonna have problem. You're gonna have problem. It's gonna be super annoying. So really, one of the most important thing is that DJI. One of the most important thing is to like clean everything around you, so you can apply everything very, very quickly. Second thing is turn off the device. I turned this off already, so it's very annoying when you have this on all the time and it's turning on off, and just turn it off. Third thing is apply it very, very quickly. Do not overthink. Be sure that everything is clean. Do it quickly. This is the very important, and try to stay dust free, because for how long you stay dust free, the whole process will be way easier for you. So let's open the package. I'm flying actually abroad shortly. I'm preparing a million things. Everything is so nicely done recently, right? The packaging. Years ago, no one cared about anything. They just shipped you things, and that was it. Can I open it? Good. That is this way because it's hermetical. Okay, we have this piece over here. Oh, they separated. Oh, that's very nice. In the previous one, I have everything drop inside of one, and good that it is separated, because you don't want to have any dust sticking into this foil. Steel foil has a paper, but this paper is going on the phone. So the problem is, if this is like separated, flying somewhere here in a box, this can get dust too. And when you're applying everything, you get this dust back on the phone, even if you clean it. So good that they separated. So probably something, some information get to them that something is wrong, and people are applying things and they still have plenty of dust. This is the kit that you're gonna have. The first what you are doing is you are applying the locker. You are putting this to the charging to USB-C place, because this is helping you to properly align the foil on the phone. At the very bottom you have a dots, so you're gonna put those dots on these pins over here, so you can nicely align with the phone, and we're gonna apply everything. Some people are cleaning this, then they start applying this, waste of time, and dust can come back on your phone. First apply it, then we're gonna clean it. So first we're gonna wipe it with this alcohol cleaner, but after you clean it, we're gonna use this wiper over here to take the old alcohol and everything and clean it from the dust. And then right away we're gonna put the shield on it, on those dots here, and just apply it very quickly by using this squeegee. I think for cars is a squeegee. I think they call it the same here. So let's do this. Okay, so on the table we have a phone. We have this plastic holding the foil. We have a foil with the cloth. We have a sticker. So when you, for example, clean the whole phone and still you have like a dust on it, you are taking just the sticker and you can just remove the dust. But generally, I don't recommend to use it. Just use those two, and it's gonna be fine. Okay, let's do this quickly, boys. We are dust free, so let's apply it quickly. Mostly tutorials are telling you to put this on the phone, then leave this thing up and squeegee the element up, so it's gonna stay at the very top. Then you release the bottom part and you squeegee element to the right. But the thing is that always you have a little bit of dust on it. So when you put it here right now, after you clean the whole phone, you may have a little bit of dust because of this foil on the very bottoms. I recommend you to clean not only the phone but also the foil. So just wipe it with alcohol, then just cloth, and yeah, let's apply it. So we're gonna have like a micro like a bubbles or something. but don't worry about this, they will disappear eventually, especially in the middle, somewhere at the top they can happen, but they're gonna disappear. If this is not a dust, it may happen that it is a dust, but generally this would disappear after a few days. I had that before and it really disappeared. And we have it applied, but I want to show you two types of foil that we have on the market, so stick with me a little bit longer. So I'm going to show you these two types of foil right now that you can buy, and not always showing you this when you are purchasing the foil, but I'm going to show you approximately what you can buy. It is also another option with another layer that is absolutely crazy, and I have no idea why they are doing it this way, but whatever. So the thing is that I had this one. When I apply this foil, I have to put the plastic over here. I have to put this on this dots over here. So when you are doing this, you have to align or put these dots on the plastic to align it, the whole film nicely. Then you are peeling off the layer A, the upper part, then layer B. You are using squeegee to this, and then you are taking off the upper part, and you have this screen protector on the phone. That is so dumb, because before you squeegee everything, right, you're putting the whole thing on the phone, because phone is over here, and I don't like it, because you may have on the bottom part of this foil also a little bit of dust, and I really don't like it. So instead of using this alignment layer, the top alignment layer, I will not do it this way next time. Next time what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do it like with the original. This is the left side. This is how used to be. So we have just two layers, screen protector. So this is going on the phone, and we have this protection layer, right? So it's under this, foil, under this film. So usually I just grab this foil, and this corner is going to the edge of the phone, and I was checking the distance. Is the distance the same on this both sides from the phone? And I wanted to be sure that camera hole is also at the proper place, and I was just squeezing it this direction. So I was peeling this off a little bit, and then I just, one simple move, I was squeezing everything. So this is for me the easiest and the best option, because you don't place the whole film on the phone that is under it. You just hold it in the angle, all this film, and you take this down part, and you just squeegee quickly everything. Here is the whole mess and the dust thing under it, because you place the whole thing on the phone to align it properly. So this is horrible. You can align it really, really nicely when you're just gonna put it closely to the phone. Just make sure that distance from the top here at the phone is similar. This is in the center where the camera is. Boom! Pull off the film, one move, and you have film applied. And I found another foil that this can actually solve the dust issue completely. How does that work in here? So we are taking the bottom part. Even we still have, when we take the bottom part, we still have for this 3 layers. So the same like the previous foil. And also it's separated for 2. So the first foil is just a protection foil. Then we have an actual protection film that's gonna stay on the phone, and on the bottom we also have this protection foil, and it's separated for 2. With this option at the very bottom you have like a glue sticky thing that when you apply it on the phone, it's gonna remove the dust from the phone, and then you are lifting the left part and right part and you are applying it. So when you lift this, you're gonna grab all dust that left on the phone, and it's gonna be nice and clean. So this is the big difference compared to this foil that I bought in USA. This is what I bought in Europe. Of course it's Chinese, everything is Chinese, but generally probably I'm gonna put it on my store, so I'm gonna give you a short link down below. Okay, we have a card, so let's peel the old one. Let's wipe it. It may be a solution for the whole dust problem. Super clean. Let's align it nicely. So you can nicely align it without any issues, you see. You can always take it off, move a little bit to the left or right, but I think we can move a little bit. Okay, let's use the card. Okay, let's try the upper part. Yeah, that was nice. Opposite side, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Don't use too much of force at the edges so you don't scratch it too much. Next you are just peeling off the upper part. Yeah, no dust. Foil nicely stick to the corners. I do have like a 5-6 bubbles, but this is not a dust, so this will disappear. This is, I think, is the best film protection option. So guys, this is the men's vlog. I'm giving you a little bit like a logical information. Stay with me, like and subscribe, and yeah, I'm gonna have like a subscription shortly because I have to collect some kind of money so I can start doing buying things, you know, for us and testing for us, making some improvements, you know, doing some kind of trips, teach you, learn something also. So yeah, this is gonna be something very cheap, but if you can like, you know, help a little bit, that's gonna be a nice thing. This is gonna be our channel, so stick with me, like and subscribe, guys. Links down below also if you wanna support me, and I hope I'm gonna see you in the next one.